So, ayan. Nagpakulo kami ng cooling drinks. Ang laman niya ay longan, wolfberry, red date, honey date, at saka yung ano na yan. Lagi ko nakakalimutan ko na yan. Basta yun na yan. At ito yung ulam ni Amo. Pinakuluan siya ng mushroom, oyster. Yung sabaw niya galing dito sa aking pinakuluan kaninang mamoy. Stew na mamoy. Tapos may itlog. Itlog lang kakainin ko dyan, guys. Sa kanya yung mamoy. Yan. Pwede na siyang hanguin. Panahon lamang. Kahit nasa gusto niya half lang daw ng mushroom. Tsaka oyster. Yung oyster. Kapag ako'y yan ang kanyang tanghalian, sa akin 2 itlog lang. O, yan ang aking tanghalian. Eat. Pinasta.
No lettuce.
No lettuce.
No lettuce.
No lettuce.
You can't hold the pot. Can't finish all. For tonight, ma. Tonight, what am I having?
You said the French fries.
French fries.
This one you can have it all. Still got this, ma. Inside freezer.
Too much things to eat already. Now, this one, put it back first. Yeah. French fries still make, but this one can make for another few days or so in case.
2 days. Tomorrow dinner.
Tomorrow lunch.
Lunch go over there, ma. Right?
Correct.
Then dinner.
Dinner. Correct. You are right. Why do you need to think about it?
So, ayan ang aking tanghalian. Eat. Pinasayaw yung camera. Dito na lang pa.